Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the OXILAM Y2 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the OXILAM car jump starter delivers a powerful peak current of 6,000 amperes, capable of quickly reviving a dead car battery in just seconds, even in extreme temperatures. A single full charge provides up to 60 jump starts. Upgraded jumper cables can safely start all gas engines and 12-liter diesel engines, including 12-volt vehicles, motorcycles, pickups, RVs, tractors, trucks, vans, ATVs, snowmobiles, yachts, and many more. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the OXILAM Y2 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, LED lamp, USB output, USB Type-C output, USB Type-C input, LED display, on/off button, EC5 jumpstart output. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.